Include a 6.25-inch touchscreen. So you just slide. It also connects via your USB. This is the second camera. Sun visor that goes on top of your main unit. It also comes with a memory card. So let's see if the maps work fine. It is fairly smooth. They are 1080p, don't expect them go forward. So Apple just launched the iPhone 17. It starts at 80,000 rupees and goes all the way up to 2.3 lakh rupees for the Pro 2TB variant. Imagine you just bought this phone, you ride motorcycles, and now you want to mount that phone on your motorcycle handlebar to use it for navigation, music, phone calls, or any other function that your phone offers. But if you do this, you are going to expose your phone to all the elements like sunlight, dust, heat, and also expose it to the chances of getting robbed. We also know that when you mount your phone on your motorcycle handlebar, it really damages the stabilization of your cameras. So for this particular reason, I have got the perfect solution today, and I will just show it to you guys. So what I have with me here today is the AOOCCI C6 Pro. It is none other than an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay unit that is meant for your motorcycles. It comes with a bunch of features. The features include a 6.25-inch touchscreen. It has dual 1080p front and rear cameras. They act as dash cams for your motorcycle. It has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so that means once you connect it, you turn on your motorcycle, it will automatically connect to your phone and mirror your screen onto this particular unit. It comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for helmet and iPhone connectivity, so that means you can connect it to your Sena, Cardo, and this basically works as your audio unit and video unit for your intercoms that you use on your helmets. It comes with GPS navigation. It's got a card slot. That's because once you stride and your cameras are working, all the footage will be recorded on that particular card. It also comes with tire pressure monitoring system. So if your motorcycles do not have that, this is a very good addition for that. It also has emergency recording, and it's also IP67 waterproof. So that means you don't have to worry about the rain. If it rains, if there's a lot of storm, it is not going to damage this unit. Now I will unbox it and show you all the contents. Just slide this out, just like that. This is the box, and open it up. Here you will first get the unit itself. This is the screen. There you go. This is the screen itself, and these are the connectivity wires. Now we look at the contents inside. This is, I think, the spacer for the handlebar mount. These are, yes, the spacers again. These are taped mounts for the cameras. This is the main wiring harness. This is that goes into your battery, and it also connects via your USB. So that means in my BMW GS, I don't have to worry about any battery connectivity issues. I can just use this and plug it into the charging socket, and it will power on. This is the mount that goes onto the motorcycle, either onto your handlebar or your GPS mount. This is one camera. I think this is the front or the rear. I don't know right now. Maybe I'll differentiate it later. This is the second camera. These are some tools to fix all the units on your motorcycle. This is the plate that goes behind the main unit. So this is where you mount it. You just mount it here, and that's how it will get onto your motorcycle. Some more types of mounts. Again, this is for your cameras, so your cameras will mount on these plates and screw on either to the front or the rear of your motorcycle. This, I believe, is the sun visor that goes on top of your main unit. Some more tools. This is another wiring harness, and it also comes with a wireless switch. So if you don't want to use the touchscreen, you can just use the switch as well. So when you press it, it's got a nice tactile feel, and you can mount it anywhere on your motorcycle. And the bonus, it also comes with a memory card, so you don't have to buy one separately. There is also an operation guide, just in case you want more instructions on how to mount it. It's got zip ties, and it also has the tire pressure monitoring units. So this will go onto your air filler caps, and they will connect with your main unit and will show you everything that your tires are doing. Not everything, but it will show you how much air they have, and in case the air is less, it will give you an alert, and it's also a nice safety feature to have. Okay, so just for demonstration, I've connected it to the USB wire, and I'll just put it into my charger, and it should come on. There you go. It takes some time to boot up. Okay, it has started. Now we'll turn on the Bluetooth on my phone. We'll go to interconnect, Android Auto. Click on pair, and now the Android Auto should start. There you go. That's the maps and the music I was listening, the GPS, and these are all the options that you have on this. Let's see if the maps work fine. So if I want to navigate to Zirakpur, I click on start, and it will show up. It is fairly smooth. Close that. Now let's say I want to go to any other app. I'll shut this down, and I can access wherever I want from this. If I click on exit, it will exit the Android Auto. And now if I want to connect any Apple device, then I can disconnect this, go back, and from this option here that's called interconnect, I can go to the other options. Now I will show you how the cameras work. Of course, I'll do a full demonstration of this once I mount them on my motorcycle, so wait for that. That's going to be the part 2 of this particular video. But just as to how these work, I will connect these cameras and show you how they work. I'm also going to put the SD card in, because I think that's how it works. Once you have to put the SD card, and then it starts working. And I think you mount it underneath. I think that will go right here at the bottom. So we'll just take this off. You take off this plate. Pop this in. There you go. Put back the rubber seal, and I'll put this back later. We'll see how it works. It has started recording already because the device is on. So to see how the cameras work, let me show you. So I've got both the cameras here, and I click on drive recorder, and this is how the cameras show up. Both of them are working. One is front, one is rear. They are 1080p. Don't expect them to have GoPro or Insta360 quality, but these will do the job. And the moment you start your motorcycle, they will come on and start recording everything around you. And you just go back from here. And if you want something to replay, you can go into this, and all your pre-recorded footage will be in here. So let's see the last one. Move it forward. It also captures audio of decent quality, so if you have any conversations with someone on the road, it will record that as well. Go back, and you're back to the main screen. The tire pressure monitoring system is somewhere over here, so if you click on that, you will see the values over here, right here. This is the front, this is the back, and you also get to know the temperature. If there is something off in the tires or in the pressure, it will show up as well. And you can also change the units. You can change it to bar, you can change it to PSI, you can change it to Celsius or Fahrenheit, and everything that you need in a tire pressure monitoring system is available over here. So that is perfect. So that is all for this video, guys. Wait for the part 2. I will install it on my GS. I will show you how it works, how it is functioning in real world scenarios, and perhaps I will also be able to show you some footage from the cameras while I'm riding. I will also try to put the tire pressure monitoring sensors onto the bikes to just show how it works on this. My BMW GS already comes with a tire pressure monitoring system, so I don't know if I'll be using it in the long term, but just for demonstration and how it works, I will attach it to the motorcycle and also show you a comparison that what is the value that the bike shows and what is the value that this particular unit shows. So watch out for that video, and if there are any comments that you have, if there's any questions that you have, just post them down in the comments. This device only costs about 20,000 rupees. You can use my code MMO9 to get a 25% off on this, and that brings down the cost to around 15,000 rupees. And I think that is great value for everything that this system offers. And if you can spend somewhere close to almost a lakh rupees for a phone, I think this is a very good value addition to your motorcycle, because even if you break this or this goes bad, you can just buy another unit maybe a couple of years down the line, but all your sensitive information that you have on your phones stays protected, and any risk of damage to all your high-end phones is avoided very well. So in my opinion, this is my first impression. I will install this on my motorcycle and create a part 2 of this series. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. Cheers.